Alrighty, so I am sitting here in the garage with my babies in the sink here in an Epsom salt bath. Jellybean has some bumblefoot, this little boy right here. And then Spice, he has some, I think his leg was disjointed at one point. Great, I know. So we're letting him soak. But you want to see how cute? Hi, baby. He's my little snuggly bum. Yeah, that's my baby. Yeah, see his face right here? I've been treating it with blue stuff because he's been having some ouchies. Yeah. So they're getting a bath. And then he's here with his son, Jelly. And he's a lot more wet because he's been in here longer. They're going to get wet, whether they're going to be in here for about half an hour altogether. So, yeah, but Jelly's in here for some bumblefoot. We're going to see if we can help with that because that's why he's been limping. Oh, careful. Oopsie. 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 Yeah, so they're just cute. Just wanted to show you guys. Figure I'll film a bird update here shortly. Oh, yeah. Good job, Spicy. Good job. Good job, Jelly. Good job, Jelly. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. I'm very proud of my boys. Yeah, I am proud of you. Yeah. I know, you're done. Hey, Google. How much more time is on my timer?
You've got 10 minutes and 54 seconds.
10 minutes. Do you think you can make it 10 minutes? I think you can. He's been in here 20. Oh! Oh, you getting a little feisty? Cutie patooties. I know, you're done. You're not quite done. Alright, so when I need an Epsom salt bath, we use the sink here in the garage. It actually works really great. It's nice and deep. They're both floating. So they're not even touching the floors. They're off their feet. They, hey, Spice. Spice. Babe, he's throwing a fit because he wants out now. He's got 10 minutes left. So yeah, it works great though. Nice and deep. That's our garage door closing. And yeah, we're almost done. So what I'm going to do is when they finish up in about like 8 minutes or so, I'm going to take them outside. I'm going to treat their faces with the blue stuff. Jellybean had some really bad issues with his face, so he was treated mainly first, but now Spice is being treated. I know, you can peck at the phone all you want. So yeah, Spice is still getting treated. Jellybean still got some rough spots. Hi, you see yourself? Remember how you used to play with the phone? Do you remember that? Yeah. They're pretty calm in here because they both grew up in here. They would bathe in here, take baths. Until they were so big they needed backup. Hey! Good boy, Spice. Enjoy it. Even when you splash me, that's fine. Almost done. Almost done. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to take them outside, we're going to treat their faces, and then I'm going to do a bird update on, stop it, on the birds. Okay, he is full on splashing. I'm going to do a bird update on everything, what's going on. Hey. It's like toddlers. It's what they are, they're toddlers. Spice, he's swallowed stuff previously, and so I get paranoid with him. And Jellybean's related, so I have to, you know. So anyways, what I was trying to say is that when I'm done treating them and taking them outside, then I'll take you outside and we'll talk about some bird updates, some stuff that's going on with these guys. and how the sanctuary is improving. So it's really exciting. Hi. Are you a happy boy? Yeah. Are you a happy boy? You guys have 6 minutes, okay? You're so close. I'm so proud of you. He's been in here 20. He's been in here 30, almost. So, yeah. Oh, are you itchy? So Jellybean's really funny about him. He's never been able to, like, stand on one leg. You're going to have to wait, Spice. And so even scratching his face is a challenge. It's kind of funny. You're going to have to wait, Spice. We're almost done, but you're going to have to wait. Okay. Is this a fun angle? Can you see anything? Spice! No! No, baby! Oh my goodness! Okay, if you are that desperate to be out of here, I'm not gonna force you. But you're gonna have to wait till it drains. Oh my goodness, that could have been so bad. What were you gonna do when you got out? You're just gonna land and get hurt. Well, you caught that on camera. He's done. I'm gonna let him be done. Yeah? Yeah. Once it's drained, I'll take him outside. Good boy, Jelly. Jellybean's been in here the longest, but he's having the time of his life, I think. Time of his life. Wow, 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 wow. All right, Jellybean, your turn to drain. You're gonna smell like wet duck after this. I think I might give you a close glimpse of what Spice's leg looks like here soon. And what Jellybean's foot looks like. See what I can do. Sometimes it's difficult. Specifically, Jellybean doesn't like being held. It's one of the disservices that we didn't fully support him in when he was growing up. Alright, so with Jellybean, you see how he's leaning like that? This foot has some bumblefoot on the bottom of it. But you see how his middle toe is swollen up like that? Mom and I are checking his foot, but we believe that he may have broke his toe, sprained his toe, something like that, just because it's very swollen compared to the other foot. And then little Spicy boy, you can see it really well. You see how he leans on that other foot there? It is because that joint right up there is nice and swollen. Good babies. Good babies. Our whole goal here as a sanctuary is to give these guys the longest, best life we can. And so because they are jumbo peaking males, they're usually the most unwanted. But then they also have a lot of issues medical-wise because of their size. And technically they're meant to be eaten at like 8 months old or something like that. So Spice being like almost 5 and Jelly being almost 2, 2, 3, I don't know. They're pretty old. So our goal here at the sanctuary is just to give them the best life they can. And when God calls them home and they decide that they're done, God calls them home. I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Joe. Oh. Okay. Let's not stress. Let's not stress. It's okay. Let's not stress. All right, Spicy baby. Hi, Spicy. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Do you want to go outside? Oh. Yeah. Spice is my calm baby. So, you guys can come on out with us. What do you think, Spice? Just a casual day. Yeah. Oh yeah, you see your family? You see your friends? Look. Okay, all done, Spicy. I am gonna come after you with that blue gel though, so. Okay. So I'm gonna treat Spice now. In his cute little face. And he doesn't love this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have to like bear hug him to a certain degree. I know. Okay. Spicy boy is done. Okay, go have fun. Go get Jelly. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, say hi. Hi. Say hi to everyone. I know, you're not happy right now. Jellybean gets stressed out really fast. But he usually handles this pretty good, but we just did a lot with him, so. Almost. I'm so close, babe. So close. Okay, you know what? If you're done, you can be done. Good job. Say goodbye to everyone now. Yeah, go have fun. Yeah, I'm sorry I frustrated you. Now you have your back to the camera. I'm sorry I frustrated you, baby. Okay. So yeah, that's the blue goo. Basically, trying to treat the dryness that they have. Hey, don't wipe that on my pants. I just tried to wipe it on my pants. Oh yeah, and we have a new chicken. We didn't even say anything about that. This is Harriet. Say hi, Harriet. Hi, Harriet. Alright, so Harriet, she's a cutie. And she has a big personality just like George. She actually came from the neighbor's house just like George. Because our neighbor lost all of her other chickens and decided that it'd be best to not do chickens anymore. So, as a sanctuary, we took this chicken in. And so she is now part of the flock, and she's been enjoying it here. Mm-hmm. Is that what you got to say, Harriet? Anything else? No? Okay.